Wow. That is crazy to think about. At one time, we did not have cell phones. Look at that. Remember that right there? CB radio antenna? Payphone? Yeah, Thousand Trails has been around a long time. Just think about it, man. I mean, cell phones have not been around that long. Hey, come on. It's not your ball. But yeah, think about it. Payphones used to be a thing. Remember? My parents used to always make sure I had a dime in my pocket, but then it went to a quarter. But you always used to carry a quarter. I remember the campground that I first started going to, Sundance, at Sundance Meadows. There was a payphone just like that, all the way up at the lodge. You had to walk, like, from the campground, it was a long way. And that's all it was, a little payphone just like that. Because, again, cell phones did not exist. Unless you had a big briefcase, big briefcase size that fit in your car, or a dedicated car phone. Just goes to show how fast technology goes by. Now the other thing is like they have Wi-Fi antennas placed all throughout the RV park, because back in the day, again, you didn't have data cell phones or satellite internet. If anything, remember DirecTV, Dish Network? You'd have to go and aim that antenna every time you moved. Like, the progression of technology is just phenomenal. And then boom, all of a sudden, Starlink. Total game changer. Now, no matter where you go on planet Earth, you can check your Facebook. Oh, it's terrible. There's nowhere to hide. Man, payphones. Wasn't it 555-1212? And there was another code that you could put in that would make the phone ring. Anybody remember that? All right, you really want to blow my mind. Tell me that code that you could put in on a payphone that would give you the number and allow you to, it would call you back and make the payphone ring. Anyway, we're out. Trivia.